Alright, so guys, I just came back to London, you know, just to attend a TikTok event, guys. It was amazing. I did learn so much stuff. You know, I'm going to display some QR codes. So if you want to shop, click on in the link in the description below and get all this amazing Black Friday code, guys. Free shipping. Click on the link right now. Yeah, so let's get to explore London. You know, the Black Friday is around the corner. Make sure you click on the link. Don't miss this chance, guys. Free shipping, and BK20 is your code, guys. Use it right now. Make some discounts. I'm in London right now. I'm going to meet my family. We're heading to the Shard and also Borough Market, so I want to take you along. So yeah, let's enjoy this trip. You know I love doing content like this for you guys, showing you guys all the beautiful cities around the world, and London is one of my best cities. So guys, let's explore. Like, the weather's not great, but you know, I believe the camera will do the justice. So let's go get a tube. I'm going to meet them right now. Well, I'm going to the train station right now. The train station I'm going to use is Holborn, and then from there I'm going to take the line heading to Kensington High Street, I believe. But yeah, so I'm going to meet them. They call me, they say they're in the Harrods. So guys, let's get to Harrods, and probably I need some coffee or some drinks, and then hopefully I can get some oysters in the Borough Market. So guys, here is the tube station right now. Let's get inside. Wow, the station is closed. It's ridiculous, guys. Now the station is closed. I need to find a way to get to Harrods. Hopefully maybe use the bus. Yeah, so let me use my map to see which bus I need to take. All right, so the tube station is shut. So the lady at the station advised me to go to Covent Garden. So I'm going to Covent Garden right now to see if I can find a tube station heading to Knightsbridge. Hopefully I can get there and miss J.A. and Mom. Then we can probably start having fun in London today. Look guys, I have my YouTube jacket on because, you know, why not branding a little bit while I'm walking. People are subscribing to the channel. You could do the same. Share this video on Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. I'm explaining. All right, so guys, the lady at the tube station advised me to go to Covent Garden because the tube station here, Holborn, is closed. So I'm going to Covent Garden right now to get a tube heading to Knightsbridge. Then from there, J.A. and Mom probably having a drink in a Moeba. Maybe, who knows, maybe they'll wait for me to have somewhere as well. Guys, today's been amazing. Like, coming to London to attend TikTok events, you know, taught me so much. You know, this life we have to keep learning. You know, that's the only way if you want to succeed in this life. You know, I started this channel like from nothing. Now we're probably more than 3,000 now, and heading to 4,000. So yeah, guys, let's explore London today. You know, these phone boxes, some of them doesn't work, but you know, most of them still work. I'm just going to find where Covent Garden is. Let me just quickly check on the list to see where the station is. Covent Garden, 5 minutes, all right? That's 5 minutes down the road. I'm currently in a place, I think it's Bromley Square, you know, Holborn. That's where the hotel is. Very, very beautiful hotel, you know, like the chandeliers and everything inside there at the event. They were playing music, so I couldn't get the interview on the premises because of copyright. But I'll try and see if I could display the building over the video and the events as well. If you follow TikTok, if you're on TikTok, follow my handle. My handle is the same as the channel, GhanaFunTube. I'll display some of the products for Black Friday, so use the code BK20 and also free shipping as well. So when you go to TikTok, just click on the link in the products, on my homepage. Yeah, free shipping. Who doesn't like free shipping, guys? Amazing, right? Yeah, so use the code. Let me know if there's anything that you want me to promote and probably talk about. Yeah, drop me a comment. No. While vlogging, I saw like a big globe with I don't know what it is, but I'm just going to have a look. Wow, London is just so amazing. I want to see if I could find Ghana in the UK. Alright, so I can see Australia very, very big there. And New Papua Guinea and Indonesia. Yeah, I'm looking for Ghana. So where's Ghana on this globe? Ghana. So there's Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil is down there. And that's the United States. Yeah, Ghana, that's Senegal. Wow, look. Where's Ghana? So let's look for Ghana. Ghana somewhere. Ghana should be somewhere here. Ghana should be near Nigeria. Where's Nigeria? And see, that's why they put Ghana. So I think they flipped the map. That's Ghana there. That's Ghana and Nigeria is down there. I don't know why they flipped the map. The map should be like it's upside down. Angola is there. Yeah, it's pretty amazing though. Like huge. You can see almost every country here. If you find your country, please do let me know. This is Maldives. Wow, look at that. Sri Lanka. Wow, India. Wow, it's amazing. Well, it's quite unique, right? Beautiful. Well, guys, if you do enjoy and see your country, please leave a comment below. I don't know what's wrong with my speech today. Maybe I need a coffee. I'm joking, guys. Yeah, let me go get the tube. Yeah, because they're waiting for me. I don't want them to finish that fees.
Every fire begins to blow, nobody will hold IPOB to account because we are committed to self-determination based on the international.
The brother is preaching. I don't know what he's preaching, but guys, I want to stop here and get some selfies because sometimes we just need a picture in London, right? So guys, I'm currently heading to the station now. I'm using a map called City Mapper. You know, I was advised by one of the residents in London to download that app. You know, if you're in London, probably that will help you, you know, because like detailed map. So that's what I'm using to get to Covent Garden right now. At the moment, I'm just walking past the Royal Opera House. Beautiful, gigantic building. Yeah, I should be at the station in 2 minutes. Amazing. Wow, London is fresh. You could smell it. It's so nice. Like the air is just amazing. Probably because of the congestion charges, people don't bring their cars here.
Garden.
I think I can see the station right now. I'm going to use my Oyster card because it is very, very essential when you're in London. You just tap and go. Easy, right? You can also top up this card at the station or almost everywhere. Wow, I don't know what's happening, whether the station is closed or not. This station is also closed. All right, it's not closed. I'm so lucky. All right, so guys, no entry. So where's the entrance? That's I need to find the entrance to the station. Sorry. Well, let's get to the station. I need to find where the entrance is. Oh God, guys, don't tell me the station is closed as well. It's just getting ridiculous, guys. I think I need to find a bus to get to Harrods. I don't even know which bus to take right now. Hello, how are you? Wow. All right, I need to get my map and see which bus I need to take because it's just not working today. It's what I like about London. Like, you never know what you see. A G-Wagon or moped or truck or anything. It's what makes this place so unique. Wow, look at that. This is London, guys. Have you been to London or do you live in London? Are you watching from London? Planning to go to London? Please do let me know where you're planning to go. Let's share. Busy today. Maybe it's because of bonfire day. I don't know. Look at the cars, you know. Bentley. Ooh. It's so busy now, guys. I have no idea what's going on there. Maybe another tube station there. Let's get there to see if it's open or if it's shut. Alright, so guys, I'm here. I'm just going to go here to see if I can find any connection tube to Knightsbridge. So guys, let's head in there.